Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today, we are taking a look at the front wheel holder from Thule. The front wheel holder is secure and easy to use. It has the capability to lock both your wheel to the rack and the rack to your crossbars, and it folds down when not in use. To install the wheel holder on your crossbar, route the strap under the bar and into the detents. Then, turn the knob on the rear of the wheel holder until it's secure. Thule also supplies an adapter for their square crossbar. Simply put this adapter under your bar between the strap and repeat the same steps. To load your wheel, place it into the carrier, and close the lever on the wheel to tighten it. With everything tight, route the locking cable through the spokes of the wheel and into the slot inside the cover on the rear of the carrier. Slide it shut and lock it up with the supplied key, keeping both the wheel and the carrier secure. When you don't have a wheel loaded, fold down the carrier for less drag. You can do so by loosening the knob and removing the forks and placing them in the folded position. Then, tighten the knob once again. Lock up the cable so it's not flying in the wind. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule Front Wheel Holder. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.